Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to use a pressure washer. For this demonstration, we're going to use this gas-powered pressure washer. So there's some things you want to do when you first get started. When you're using a gas-powered pressure washer, of course, first thing you want to do is make sure you have fuel in it. And then you always want to check your oil before you get started. And simply pull out the dipstick, and there are some measurements lines on there which tell you whether it's full or whether you need to add some. And then the next thing will be connecting our hose. Now in this particular case, this is very helpful. I've got a control valve on the end of this hose, so I was able to put this on, put it in the off position, and go ahead and turn my water on before I come out to the pressure washer. And then in the back, we have a valve that we will attach the hose to the pressure washer. Okay. Now once you have your hose detached and you have the pressure turned on, next thing we'll want to do is that you want to get your supply hose, your pressure hose out, and make sure everything's done right. Now, also, it's very important to choose your correct tip. In this case, I've got a wand. This is called a turbo wand. It actually puts out a 0-degree spray, which is a very high pressure, very powerful stream, but it rotates it into a pattern. So it allows you to clean a larger area. You can actually take about a 3 to 6 inch circular area. So when you're doing a large job such as a driveway like this, a turbo wand is a very efficient wand attachment to use. As you can see, this other one has some other attachments. If we're going to do some soaping, or we have a 15 degree, 40 degree, and a 0-degree tip here, depending on the type of application. So in this case, we're going to demonstrate on how to use this turbo wand. So once we have everything to go, we want to turn it to our on position, start it up. We'll need to wait for our pressure to build up. You can see once it builds up, and what you want to do is you want to work in patterns back and forth and work the spray away from you. Now it's very important to remember that when you're dealing with a pressure washer, it's very high power, so you want to support your wand with both hands and always spray away from you. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to use a pressure washer.